Here's a quick tutorial that shows how I made a silhouette from a picture of my dog to be able to put on the back of my Tortured Poets Department inspired chair. So you go into Canva and then you upload your picture and you size it accordingly, making it as big as you want. You go and remove the background from it. Once the background is removed, you go on over and you scroll down till you see duotone. Click on that and then select cherry. Now, the highlights, you click on that and you drag your mouse all the way to the black to make it as dark as possible. You make the shadows also as black as possible, making sure that it's at 100% intensity. And then you can go back and resize this to make it as big or as small as you want. Once you make it as big or as small as you'd like, you can take it and download as either a JPEG or a PNG. And then you can go on over to Spoonflower or another website that allows you to upload your images and print on fabric. Once I got my image right, I went and downloaded it, put that image into Spoonflower, and I printed it on linen cotton canvas fabric. And it turned out to be perfect for my Tortured Poets Department inspired chair.